A new year started. People made resolutions. And see, 2 months, almost 2 months have already passed. How many times have you told yourself, I will do it tomorrow? And tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes never. See, I get it because I have been there too, sleeping on a bed, scrolling endlessly, planning that I'll do after 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. But guess what? That never happens. Procrastination is not just about laziness. It's your brain playing tricks on you. Today, I'm giving 5 powerful tips to stop procrastinating and getting things done. Just trust me, stick around, and by the end of this video, you will have practical tools you can use right now to break free from this cycle. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand why we procrastinate. Procrastination is not about laziness. See, our brain loves instant gratification. Watching Netflix, instant pleasure. When you scroll Instagram, you get instant dopamine hit. But that exam, it still have 2-3 months. That project still have 2-3 weeks. So our brain thinks, why worry about it now? We can relax and think about it later. Here is the thing, procrastination is not about avoiding work. We are just avoiding the negative emotions that we might get. It can be just boredom or perfectionism, or it can also be the feeling of failure. So, how do we hack our brain to work with us, not against us? Let's get into the solution. So, my first tip would be the 2 minutes rule. If any of your tasks takes less than 2 minutes, it can be like filling a form or replying a text or something, just do it. But what about the big task? Just start the work. If you have to go to gym, then putting on shoes can be the hardest part. But once you put on the shoes, then you might as well go to the gym. Let's do it right now. Just pause this video, pick up any small work that you have been putting off. Just do that and come back. So, did you do it? See, feels good, doesn't it? So, my second tip is to break it down and make it fun. Big tasks often feels overwhelming. They are like mountains. What you can do is you can just break the mountain into molehills. Instead of writing an essay, what you can do is you can just open your laptop, maybe just write the title or maybe just a paragraph or introduction or something. See, small wins creates a momentum. I'd also like to give you a bonus tip. That is to gamify your task. You can put a timer for 25 minutes, as I've already mentioned in my previous video, Pomodoro technique, and then challenge yourself to beat the clock. Then you can reward yourself afterward. It can be your favorite snack or a quick dance or something. My third tip would be to eliminate distraction. Let's be real, your phone is the biggest procrastinating magnet. How many times do you check your phone just for time or something and end up scrolling Instagram for hours? So what could be the solution? Solution is very simple. Just create a distraction free zone. If you are staying in hostel, you can just give your friend your phone for a few hours and then focus on your work. If you are with your family, then you can give your phone to your mother or father or keep it in another room for a few hours until you focus on your work. Another solution is also very simple. There are different apps available these days, like Focus and many other apps which you can use to stay focused. And another one of the most important tips is to clean your workspace, because cluttered workspace is like cluttered mind. See, even a small change can make a huge difference. Fourth tip is to find your why. When motivation runs out, which it will, then discipline and a strong why can keep you focused. Ask yourself, why does this task matter? Not just I want to study. I need to study because I want to get into IIT Bombay. Not just I want to exercise. I want to exercise because I want to be healthy and happy. Just write it down and stick it to your wall with a big bold letter. Let your why be stronger than your excuses. My fifth tip is accountability and final thought. Accountability can be a game changer. Tell a friend your goal or join a group, or hey, drop your goals in the comment below. I will be cheering you on. Taking messy actions beats endless planning every time. So just get the things done. Let's make this year where you stop thinking about your goals and just crush them. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below. I'll be waiting for your feedbacks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.